Hello everyone, welcome to our 2024 Term 1, Class A, practicing video number 5. Now today we have 4 new pieces from the technique book. Little Indian Lands from last week, and also a new piece called Bravery at Sea from the piano book. Okay, first we're going to have a look at the technique book. On the technique book, page 4 to 5, there are 4 small pieces. We're going to exercising in legato, walking fingers, also staccato, jumping fingers for both 4 pieces. But in the book, you can't see the staccato dot. We are learning to use different articulations to play the same melody. Okay, now let's have a look at the page 4. First one, Dragon's Den. Now this one is using a lot of extensions, the sharps. Okay, the tricky thing is when the sharp is written between the notes, you have to figure it out which notes actually play sharp. Can you tell? Yes, so the sharp is written in front of the notes. So this sharp is for the third note D, not for the second one. This sharp is for the F. This sharp here is for the F and D sharp. And what about this note? I circled it. Yeah, because of the previous F has a sharp extensions. Now all the same note. So F is exactly the same space as the previous F, also has to play sharp. So both hands, the last note F, we need to play sharp as well. D sharp for the second note and F sharp for the next note. Right, so use this method to learn all the other 3 pieces. Just remember either the sharp or the flat always written in front of the note. And if you have the same note behind the already go sharp or flat note, and we need to play sharp or flat. Okay, so there are a few notes that has no sharp and flat, but we're still gonna play it. So you will find them in the other pieces. Alright, so I'm gonna demonstrate all 4 pieces. In legato first, and then staccato. Staccato, remember to use the scratching technique. Use your fingertips, pulse in. Alright, cool, let's have a look. I'm gonna turn on the metronome on 90, so it's a steady beat. Sounds like this. Okay, now I'm gonna try the Dragon's Den. Dragon's Den is in the C position. Make sure your hands is leveled up, fingers are curved, relax, and that's wrong hand posture. See if you can see all the knuckles. Knuckles have to pointing out. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And then now I'm gonna do the staccato jumping fingers. Okay, now this is the Dragon's Den. Now I'm gonna demonstrate the Sea Monster. Okay, now the Sea Monster, I have a question for you. Are those small curved lines are ties or slur? They are ties because they tied up the same notes. All 4 whole note intervals are the same notes. So basically you just press down at the beginning and hold all the way through. Same as the second line, right hand has a tie for all 4 bars. So you don't need to do anything else, just press down and hold. Okay, now I'm gonna try the C monster again, this time using the staccato for the quarter note. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now the next piece we'll have a look at Dolphins at Play. Those Dolphins at Play use a lot of flat signs. Remember the extensions, flat sign, sharp sign, written in front of the note. So you have to work very carefully which notes go flat. Also flat means move the next key to the left, right? I'm gonna demonstrate this. So first I will use the walking fingers, legato, and then I will move to staccato, jumping fingers. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, staccato. Okay, now the last one is sharks. Sharks also has a flat. I will demonstrate the walking finger first and then we change to jumping fingers. The speed is also 90. Okay, now this is the homework from the technique book. So make sure you do it slowly first, okay, and make sure all the fingers are nice and curved, knuckles coming out, wrist level up with your hands. Good. Now we move to the Little Indian Lance. This is from last week. The key thing is making the whole piece connected. Don't forget to be flat. Make sure our hands are in the correct positions. Right hand more legato, walking fingers, and left hand's bouncy. Some of the students were playing right hands also kind of separated, not very legato. Okay? So we're gonna work on right hand. You can do some right hand practice. So make sure it's all legato, connected, walking fingers, and then while left hands keep it bouncy and short. Okay, now I'm gonna demonstrate this one. Let's see what's the speed. Yeah, I will still use 90. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, this piece is really exercising the hand coordination skills because it's easy to control both hands doing the same motion. But when we're doing differently, like right hand is basically side to side movement and right hand is up and down. So that may create some challenge for some of the students. Okay, so work slowly, figure out how the muscle works, how the action is, and then moving up on the speed. Okay, right. The last one, we'll have a look at the piano book, page 19. A new piece called the Bravery at Sea. Very nice piece. Some of you may quite familiar with the tone. It's been using for different songs, different names. All right, and this one, if you can see a flight sign at the beginning of each line, then you know this is not a C position. So how do we locate the positions? Look at the first note. All right, first note's right hand is a face. Yeah, F-A-C-E. It's starting from a C. So finger number 5 on C in the left hand. All the line notes. Do you remember the phrase for line notes? Good boy, these are fine apples. Right, so it starts from F, A, and C. Finger ring 5 for F, 3 for A, 1 for C. So this piece is in a F position. Also, F position has a B flat at all times. So whenever you see B, play flat. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate this one. Still using the time signatures as a 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, did you hear some B flats? So I'm gonna pointing out a couple of the B's here. Left hand's B. Right hand's first note's B. We're gonna play flat. Right hand again B. Left hand's second bar B flat. So there are quite a few B's that we need to play the black keys. Alright. Now this one, the tricky line is on the line 3. Alright, bar 2, bar 4, both hands play different notes, different directions. Sometimes it's similar directions but different notes. So that's what you're gonna work on and carefully, right? Locate all the notes and fingerings. Okay, that's all from this week. If you have any questions, welcome to leave a message or message me. Alright, looking forward to see you next week. Bye.